So,
Should I
ma'am, can you see
rejoin again?
yourself?
Yeah, I can see only myself. No camera, nothing. Only my face view I am seeing.
So, mm,
There is no gallery view.
there must be an option of view. Ma'am, it might be full screen. So, kindly
No,
try.
it's not a full screen. It's not a full screen. It seems I'm alone in the video.
So, ma'am, you have joined in from the mobile also. Can you just
Yeah.
see if you are able to see the screens through mobile?
But no, there is no option of a gallery view. There is no view option. Can I rejoin again?
Yes, ma'am. Can try
Because there
that.
is no view.
If that
How can I
works.
see people? This chat option is there and screen, manage participant and security, nothing else. Wait, I'm joining again. Okay. Sorry for the inconvenience.
Ma'am, I want to ask you that is the length of my chart paper okay?
Okay.
Ma'am, how many toothpicks we need? Ma'am, okay. Ma'am, how many toothpicks we need? Ma'am, my chart paper okay? Ma'am, you have to how many toothpicks we need?
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. I don't have a CD.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Actually, I brought a MDF board. My mother says it's just like a CD only.
So what is transparent axis?
మనం ఆ బిస్కెట్లు తినే పేపర్ ఉంటుంది కదా ఒకటి ఒక బాక్స్ నేను రాసుకున్నా అంటే వద్దంట
Telugu. Transparent tape is a tape. Ma'am, is the length of my chart paper okay?
Okay, the length of your chart paper is fine, Anubhav.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Sahasra.
In the list, the 10th one is half cutted chart paper, right? And can I take wool instead of ribbon?
Yeah, you can. Anubhav, you can.
The length, ma'am. Is
Yeah,
this
Sahasra.
length okay?
Yeah, Sahasra, that's fine. Even if ma'am asks you to change it, you can do it as you have the full chart paper, okay?
Ma'am, on 9th, I don't have 9th thing transparent.
You can do it. So, the maximum material you can gather today, just do that. In case you are missing out on something, don't worry.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of 2x2 chart paper cutout?
So 2x2, it's basically the dimensions given.
Ma'am, I don't know how to take out the dimensions.
So if you don't know how to take out the dimensions, kindly wait for the teacher, okay?
Yes, sir.
It's quilling paper now.
Simran, please allow me.
Hello. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Only a script.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Hello. Good evening, everyone.
Yes, ma'am. Your voice is audible. The rest, all the kids are on mute, right?
Okay. My camera is also not showing. It's showing your screen. Welcome to Podium.
Yes, ma'am. I was just about to start with the introduction.
Okay.
So if now everything is okay, I will just start with it.
Yeah. Everything is okay. Settled.
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
And
guys.
Simran, once again, just give
Yes,
me one reply. Right now, I'm able to see 5 to 6 kids.
So, ma'am, there must be an
You are-
option to
Yeah,
swipe
you are
right or so.
fit to window. Okay. It should be fit to window.
Yeah, like it depends on what view you are getting right now, but
Okay,
it
let's
can be
see.
changed.
Let's see. Okay. I'm now able to see. It's okay.
Okay, ma'am. Guys, so this is the list of the material ma'am asked you to get. If you are missing on anything, just don't panic right now. Just arrange whatever you can out of these. And if you have any question related to the material, you can drop your question in the comment box, and ma'am will respond to that accordingly. Okay, let's start with today's session. Welcome everyone to Podium Supera. Podium is a super achiever-led educational platform for co-curricular content taught by the world's best teachers. Also, we are extremely excited to announce that Podium is launching their first batch of courses in second week of November. And the courses are contemporary dance, speech and drama, calligraphy, creative writing, chess, kathak, and drawing and painting. These programs would be taught by the world's best teachers, and we look forward to seeing you participate in those programs. For more information, kindly visit podiumschool.com, and you can also contact on the number that is displayed on your screen to know more about the courses. So guys, coming to the instructions for today's session. In today's session, we will begin with our faculty's teacher. While the teacher is teaching you, you all will be on mute. If during that time you have any questions or any queries, kindly type them out in the comment box. At the end of our session, we will be unmuting everyone for the interactive section, and you can ask whatever you feel like at that time. So guys, our today's super teacher is Ms. Shweta Jain. Ms. Shweta is founder of Shweta Art and Craft, which is an online platform showcasing her skills in creativity. She is also a qualified teacher with PhD in English Literature and ECC-ED from Podar Institute of Education. She loves to play with colors and papers and always try to create something new from her creativity and imagination. On behalf of Team Podium, I thank Ms. Shweta for taking out some time for us. Welcome, ma'am. Over to you.
Thank you so much, Simran. Thank you. And good evening to everyone. It's very nice to see all of you over here. Hope you all are ready with the required material. If someone is not ready with the material, it's okay. We have options regarding to the same. Okay. So, is there any query? One thing I just want to say before I start anything else, it is the today's session is about quilling, and you're creating your own wall hanging. You can use it as a wall hanging, as a Diwali decoration, and you can also use it as a easel board decoration, just like this. This is a project which we are going to make today. Okay. Is it visible to everyone? Please show me a thumbs up. Very good, Ishka. Okay, So we are going to start our project today. In case we are stuck at some place or we don't understand anything, it's okay. After I teach, whenever I taught something, please be carefully see whatever I am teaching. I एकदम ध्यान से आराम से देखिए कि मैं क्या सिखा रही हूँ. उसके बाद whenever it's done, I will ask you if you stuck somewhere. I will resolve that issue immediately. But in between, whenever I teach, please pay attention whatever I am teaching on that. First see and then do. Okay? Is it clear? Okay, no problem. Let's start. My workplace is visible to everyone. My workplace is visible to everyone. Please pin my workplace. Simran, can you please help a student for the same? So they can pin my video. Is it showing? Shweta Jain workplace. Is it showing to everyone? Please show me a thumbs up if it is showing to everyone. No? One minute. Now you can search for Shweta Jain. Pin my video, please. Now is it visible to everyone? Now this area is visible. A flower and the quilling strips. Is it visible to everyone? Okay, very good. Let's start. Okay, so we are using these type of quilling strips. For creating today's magic, we are using this kind of strips, okay? First of all, we are going to use green color strip to make leaves. Green color strips to make leaves. We need 6 strips to make 6 leaves. Okay? Just take out 6 strips. 6 green strips. Any kind of, is it a 3 mm or 5 mm, whatever is available with you, you can use anything. They take this type of circle board, circle stencil. This is a slotted tool. If someone is not having slotted tool, it's okay, you can use toothpick also. This is a slotted tool. And this is a quilling strip and this is a circle board. Okay, we can use toothpick instead of slotted tool. Insert the quilling strip inside the slotted tool. And now look carefully. First of all, look carefully. I insert the quilling strip in the slotted tool and now I start rolling it. Okay, and after that, take it out gently and place it in the circle shape. The smaller number, this is a 14 number, is a circle shape. It is not a board. It is. This is not a circle sheet. This is a circle ruler, circle shape. Stencil it is. You can use any type of stencil. It is a 14 number. Now place every strip in the 14 number. Here today I am going to teach you, yes, in this the smallest circle. Abhika, in the same stencil, smallest circle. Yes. First insert the quilling strip inside it. If someone is not having circular board or circular stencil, you can open the coil over your finger also, like this. Okay, just make sure your each coil is of same size. When we use circle shape ruler, our coils are same size. That's why we are using the stencil. Otherwise, you can open it over your finger also. Okay, now look carefully how I am going to lock the edges. Look, I pick up the coil and now we have to secure the end by applying a very little amount of glue, Fevicol or the craft glue, whatever glue is available with you. We are just going to use a very little amount of the glue. Okay, and after that I'm going to pinch it and make it a teardrop. Look here, everyone please pay attention. I'm just going to pinch it out from the one side and it will look like a teardrop. Okay, this is called teardrop petal. Teardrop petal. And we are going to make 6 leaves like this. Secure the end by using a very little amount of the glue, and after securing the end, pinch it from the top and it will come out like a teardrop. Till now it's understand? Understood everyone? Is there any difficulty till now in leaf? Can everyone please show me your thumbs up? Shruti, Shrusti, Sanvi, Raja, Nitin, everyone. Okay. So we are going to make 6 petals regarding the same. Okay. Can anyone show me your creation till now? Yes, Divyanshi. Yes, perfect. Perfect, Divyanshi. Sanvi, Avika. Shashra, if you don't have green, you can use any color of yellow also. You can use any color of brown also. Okay, I will teach you once again. If someone is not understanding what I did, so I take one quilling strip, insert it inside the slotting tool like this, and then roll it. Roll the entire strip over the inserted tool, and after that take it out, place it in the 14 number of the circle. After that, secure the end by using little bit of glue. After securing, pinch it from the above like this. Now your teardrop is ready. Okay. Now we are going forward for flower. Ashi, can we go ahead? Avika, Ashi, Divyanshi, Sanvi, Nivi, can we go ahead? Okay. So for flower, you can choose any color of your choice. I'm using pink color. We are going to make 3 flowers. I'm using pink color for 1 flower. For 1 flower, we are using 6 strips of 1 color. Pink color I'm using. So I'm taking 6 strips of pink color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 strips of pink color. Okay. Now again, insert the strip inside the tool. Roll it. Roll it. Now glue it. So it is a tight coil. Ashi, you can make 2 teardrop right now, and after that you can finish it after the class also. First, learn the techniques. Okay. Yes, Ishika. Yes, Ishika. Can you please type? Ishika, can you please type? Ishika, you have to type because you are mute. Okay, ask.
Ma'am, I am asking that can we make the colorful flower?
Not right now because on CD we are using already many colors. So if we make the flower also colorful, it will look little more colorful. It will look like a rainbow, not look like a flower. Okay. Okay. Take only 1 color. Now please mute. Yeah. Okay. We are making tight coil like this. Is it visible to everyone? Okay. Now look carefully what I am doing. Please look. I am going to pinch both the corners of the tight coil and give it pinch it tightly and give it this shape. Okay? Is it visible? It's a tight leaf shape. Okay? We are making 6 petals of this type of the. Visible to everyone? What I have done? I take out the one strip, the entire strip, insert it inside the slotted tool and then roll it. Akshara, you have to use the tool like this. You have to use the tool like this. First, you have to use your 2 fingers, your left hand 2 fingers under the slotted tool and then roll it. Is it visible to everyone? We have to hold the tool like this. Then it will be easy for you. And secure the glue, secure the end only using a very little amount of the glue. Akshara Shetty. Akshara Shetty. Unmute yourself, please. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Akshara, look here. This is a slotted tool. You are having slotted tool or you are having toothpick?
I'm having a toothpick.
Toothpick, okay. Then imagine this is a toothpick. Whatever I'm having, it is a toothpick.
Yes.
Put it over the strip.
Okay.
And then roll it like this. And after that, after you complete the rolling, and then you start tight it. Okay? Sanvi is beautiful. Now please unmute yourself. Now please mute yourself. Akshara, now please mute. Thank you. Sanvi, that was good. Ishika is okay. It's okay. But you have to make sure your petals will look like this. Yes, perfect, perfect. Okay. Now, Ashi, look, I have made one tight coil. And after that, look carefully, Ashi. After I make the tight coil, I pinch both the sides and give it a petal shape. Okay? Is it clear? Shrijita, have you made? Yes, who have doubt? Please raise your Divyanshi. Divyanshi, please.
Ma'am, when I'm rolling it and then I'm removing it, the kind of the quilling strip comes out when I'm removing it.
You're removing from the slotted tool?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, look here. First, we insert the strip inside the slotted tool. Sorry. Okay. And after that, when we roll it, just make sure your fingers are down like this. When your fingers are down like this, you have to hold a tool like this. Take these two fingers, index finger and the tall man, make it a V and put it in below the strip. And now, yes, now cover it with the thumb and cover the top with the thumb. Same hand. Cover the top with the thumb. Is it clear? Yes. Now roll it from the right hand. Roll it from the right hand, from below. Yes, roll it. It's okay, it will come up. There is no space. It will come automatically correct. Now I'm going to teach you how to place the flower. Yes. Yes, perfect, Nishika. Is there any doubt? Please raise your hand if anyone has doubt. Ashi, you are not able to understand. Ashi, can you please raise your hand? Ashi, I'm not able to see you. Can you please raise your hand? Yeah. Unmute yourself. Yes, Ashi.
Yes, sir. Ma'am, I'm not able to understood what you have made with the flower.
With tight coil.
Yeah.
Okay. Have you made the tight coil?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Just wait a minute. I'm making one tight coil, then I will teach you. Look. We made this tight coil.
Yeah.
And after that, I just pinch the both ends. Place it down on the floor, on the surface, and now pinch both the ends and give it a shape of a leaf.
Ma'am. Wait,
Okay?
ma'am, please do it.
Yeah.
Is it like this?
Yes. But why center is out? Keep the center inside.
Ma'am, when I took it out, it was like a long stick.
Okay.
That's what.
Okay. Make sure the center will not come out. Okay. Now start placing. We will start placing the flower. Look how we are going. We made 5 petals. And we join each petal.
Ma'am, should I unmute myself now?
Yes, you can mute. Okay, it will look like this. Okay, for the center, we are making one more tight coil. At this time, we poke the slotted tool inside the coil. Look here. I'm poking my slotted tool inside the coil like this. So it will look like a dome shape. Look, it is coming like this. Okay, it will look like a dome shape. Now place this dome shape inside the circle. I'm adding a little pearl over it, like this. Our flower is ready. Okay? Is it clear? Is it clear to everyone? We made 5 tight coil petals and then one center tight coil, and inside the tight coil, when we poke it with the slotted tool, there will be a gap. Inside that gap, I placed one pearl. Okay? Is it clear? We have to create 3 flowers of the same type. I have created 3 flowers for the same type of different colors. Is it clear? Can you please show me a thumbs up? Why, Ishika?
Yes, ma'am. Now I didn't understand that you made the dome and where you place the stone inside it or upwards. I didn't understand that.
Okay, I will show you how we are going to make dome. Rest the dome, everything is clear? Rest the dome, everything is clear? Kanika, very good. Adrian, Nivi, Akshara, Paridhi, everything is clear? Very good. Paridhi, can you please switch on your video? Everyone, please switch on your video so I am able to see who are making and who are not making. Please, everyone, switch on your videos. Vanshika, is it clear? Okay, very good. Just show me your thumbs up. Everyone, please switch on your video. Manika Shah, Sanvi D, Renu, Sangeeta, Sameer, Jenny. Disha, Ravi, RV. Switch on your video. Okay, and now I will teach you how to make a dome once again. For dome, I take one strip and make a tight coil. Secure the end while applying a very little amount of glue. Like this. This is a tight coil, right? Now I'm turning it into a dome shape. I'm using this slotted tool. Upside down, with the back side. I poke back side of a slotted tool inside the tight coil and roll it. And it will turn out like this. Okay? Okay, is it clear? Okay, inside the dome, I drop one drop of glue and add 1 pearl. Okay? And then you can fix it over in the middle of any flower. Okay? So today I teach you 1 teardrop petals technique and 1 tight coil flower technique, right? I'm going to teach you 1 more flower technique, and after that we are going to place all the things on the CD. Okay? Is it clear? Please raise your hand. Sorry, show me a thumbs up. Yes. Vansh. Vansh, can you please show me once again? Nitin. Okay. Is it clear? Can we go ahead? Okay, perfectly fine. So for that, we need 2 colors. For that, I'm using purple and white. I'm using purple and white. You can use any 2 color. I'm using purple and white. So we are taking 6 of purple, 6 of purples and 3 of white. Okay. So for that, first take the purple one or the color which you take 6 strips. Put it inside the slotted tool, roll it. Place it over the circle ruler. 18 number. For leaves, we took 14 number. For flower, we are taking 18 number. Okay? Is it clear? Visible? Is it visible? Okay. So just start rolling your strips and put it into the 18 number. Ashwir, is it okay? Clear? Okay. Is there any confusion till now? Is there any confusion? Please raise your thumb. If is there any confusion, please show me your thumb. Please switch on your video, everyone. Please switch on your video. Only then I'm able to see what are you doing. Yes, Anvi. Is there any doubt?
Excuse me,
Yes, Anvi. Yes, Anvi.
ma'am. Just one second. How did you make the top of the flower? Could you explain?
The dome shape. This one. Hello. Avika, I'm not going fast. I'm just trying to teach you techniques. And you can just go, learn the technique first, make 2 petals of each type of flower and assemble the flower later. Okay? Avika, is it okay, Avika? Where is Avika? Sanvi, your voice is not clear. Sanvi, your voice is not clear. Can you please type? Your voice is breaking. Avika, is it okay? Very good. Thank you, Avika. Sanvi, whatever problem is there, you can type because your voice is cracking. Avika, show me. Avika, show me once again. Yes, but it's a 4-petal flower. I told you to a 5-petal flower. It's okay. It's looking nice. I'm not able to see who is saying that I'm the best. Can you please show me your face also? Who is saying that? Everyone, please switch on your video. Only then I am able to see. Meru, is it understand? Meru, are you understanding everything? Very good. Nirvi, Nirvi, is it okay? Very good. Ujjwal, is it clear? Ujjwal, is it clear? Can you please show me a thumbs up if you're understanding everything? Very good. Thank you. Khushi, Shrusti, Arnav, Anvi, Sanvi, switch on your video. So we are going to make a third type of a technique. I'm going to teach you a third type of technique. For that technique, I'm using 18 number circle coil. Okay. Look, the quilling is all about how you are going to mold the strip, how you are going to fold, how you are going to pinch, how you are going to make the shape of the coil. Now look, what I am going to do. I am going to teach you one more technique. This is 18 number circle coil, and now I'm going to pinch both sides. Is a loose coil. I'm going to pinch both sides. Now it will turn up like this. Is it clear? Okay. Nirvi, Ishika, Ujjwal.
Yes, Mama.
Okay. After you finish pinching, we are going to wrap the entire leaf with one more color. This is called double shading. Wrap the white strip 3 times and cut the rest. It will look like this. Okay. Make 6 strips, 6 petals Divyanshi? Okay, wait. I will teach. 1 second. Take 6. 1 second. 6 strips of the same color. I took purple 6 strips and 3 white strips. Okay. Take any 2 colors. Divyanshi, mute yourself first.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Take 2 colors. One color should be 6 strips and another color of 3 strips. Okay. Now make loose coil of 18 number with the strips which you are taking 6. Okay.
Ma'am, what, ma'am? 18?
18 number circle.
Ma'am, but I don't have those things.
Okay. Then over your fingertip.
Okay, ma'am.
Over your fingertip. But make sure your all sides are equal. Or you can measure your size like this. Look, you can measure your size like this by placing over one and another.
Okay.
Okay. And after you make the circle, pinch the both sides like this.
Yes, ma'am.
And after you pinch the both sides, you have to cover it with the white color. Okay. So it will look like this.
So, ma'am, how many times should we roll with the white cover? Only one time?
3 times.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Welcome. Now please mute. Yes. Anyone has any other doubt till now? Okay. Thank you, Sarah. Who is having doubt? Sahasra. Okay. Yes, Ishika. Perfect. Nitali, is it okay? Show me a thumbs up if you, is it okay? Okay. Avika, is it okay? Sanvi, switch on your video. Paridhi, is there any doubt? Arshvi, Kanika, is there any doubt? Okay. Can you please show me your creation till now? Kanika? What have you made? It's not showing. What is this? Please mute yourself. Yes, Kanika? Sorry, Kanika, please mute yourself. Yes, Nitin? Nitin, please unmute yourself and ask me. Nitin. Okay, look here. Devyanshi, purple, apply a little bit of glue over the purple. Now put white strip over it and start rolling it. Just make sure you are not losing the shape. Roll it 3 times and cut the rest strip. Okay. Disha, very beautiful. Very beautiful. Very beautiful, Disha. Sanvi, who is saying that I'm going very fast? Yes, Sanvi, perfect. Yes, Nishika is good. Vanshika, yes, good. Now, can we start placing the flower? 1 minute, look at me so you can see how we are going to place the flower. Okay? We can see it's a 6 petal flower. First we made 5 petal flower. Now I'm going to place 6 petal flower. For 6 petal flower, we are going to join like this. Look, we join 6 petal like this. Okay? Now in center we are using one white color coil, one white color tight coil, but not in a dome shape, simple shape. place it over in the center. Okay, and now I use one purple color sticker over it. So it will look like this. Okay, is it clear? Divyanshi, Ishika, Paridhi, very good. Nirvi? No, it's not clear. You're not able to understand? Please unmute yourself. Yes, Nirvi. Nirvi, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, I'm not able to do the flower shape.
Did you understand the technique?
Ma'am, when you said that the smaller flowers, while you were saying, I did it, but I'm not able to understand where to place.
What you're not able to understand? How to place the petals. You have to join the petals like this. 5 petals. Glue the edges of the petals and join them in a flower shape.
Okay.
Okay, Nirvi, is the doubt is clear? The flower will come up like this. Okay. Can we start the placing also? Or should I wait for 1 minute? Okay, I will wait, Sanvi. I will wait. Very good, Vanshika. Very good. One minute, I'm waiting, Ishika. You have a doubt? Okay. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. I have a doubt regarding the first flower that you said for the pink flower.
For
So
this
how many
pink flower,
Yeah, yes. How many petals will be required for this?
for pink flower, we need 5 petals and 1 top.
Okay.
So
For
it,
these we require 6.
for the double color, we need 6 petals.
Okay.
Okay.
ma'am.
Nitin, you have one doubt. Is it clear or still you are having doubt? Nitin, can you please switch on your video and Show me. Renu, Ravi, Ishika, Jana. Yeah. Advit. Is there any doubt?
No doubt.
Okay. Please mute yourself. Yeah. Yes, Sanvi.
How many double color flowers do we need to make?
Only one. Only one.
Okay.
One big flower, 3 small flower or 2 small flowers, 5 leaves. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes, Devyanshi.
ma'am,
Who is he? Yes, Nitin.
ma'am, Nitin is my father's name. My name is Aradhya.
Yes, Aradhya.
My father's mobile was not charged, so it has been good at the 0%. So can you tell me how you have made?
What you want to know now? Your double color flower?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will teach you one pattern right now. Take 1 strip of purple color. We need 6 strips of purple color and 3 strips of white color. Okay. If you are not having purple and white, you can use any 2 colors. One color should be 6 strips and one color of 3 strips. Whenever you're using 6 strips, take one strip from the 6 strips color, and now make a 18 number loose coil. You have circle ruler?
No, ma'am.
You don't have circle? Okay. Then open it over your finger. Move it over your finger like this. Aradhya, look carefully. Like this, we are going to open the coil over our finger, and now secure the end by using little amount of glue. And then we are going to pinch from the both ends like this, and it will turn out like this. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And after you finish this pinching, you have
5%.
after you finish this, you have to cover it with the another color, whatever color you choose.
And then I have to make white small.
Tight coil. Then you have to make white tight coil. Disha, wait a minute. I will show you how to place the CD. Wait. Your flowers are looking very beautiful. Okay, like this you have to cover the petal.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So
Thank you, ma'am.
welcome, Aradhya. So everyone is ready now? Sanvi, Savik, Shiv Kumar, Ishika, Kanika, Nirvi. Nirvi not ready? Why? What happened? Okay. I asked everyone to get 2 by 2 inch of square chart paper. Is it available with all of you? We need a very little cutout. Okay, just place it in the circle, in the center like this. Okay, just place it in the center like this. And now Who is unmuting? Okay, now we are going to stick the chart paper in the center so the whole is covered. The whole of the CD will be covered. I am using two colors, so it will look a 3D look. If you are having one color, that will also nice. That will also do. You can write Happy Diwali inside this white paper, or you can stuck your family photograph. You can stuck anything over here. You can stick anything. Okay. Everyone is having such kind of stickers, decorations. Okay. First, we are going to use this sticky decoration and we are going to stick it on the edge of the CD. Like this. Okay. If you are not having these stickers, you are having stones, you can just this type of stones. If you are having this type of stones, you can also use these type of stone by you applying Fevicol. Just apply a little bit of Fevicol and stick it over it. Okay. You can use any color of your stickers. Like this. After that, first till now everything is okay. Can we start? Just show me your thumbs up. Only then I will going to start. Otherwise, I will wait. Aradhya is okay. Okay. Divyanshi. Divyanshi, please unmute yourself first.
Ma'am, like this is my CD, so this is the white side. Which side should I stick this?
No. The shiny side.
Shiny side?
Yes.
And ma'am, I don't have that sticker. Can I use these kind of small beads that I have?
Yes. You can use small beads. You can use, if you have enough, you can apply a little bit of amount of Fevicol on the edge and then place it one by one. If you have little, then wait. First we stick the flower and rest we will do the circle.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
So ma'am, can I stick the flower and then do the...
Yes. First we will stick the center part. So it will be covered. So it will be covered.
And then the side beads, I can stick it afterwards.
Yes. Okay. Avishika. Who is Avishika? Avishika, please switch on your video only, then I'm going to, yeah, I unmute yourself, Avishika. Avishika. Avishka. Yes.
Yes.
Avishka, yes, tell me. Is there any doubt?
I want to ask.
Avishka, is there any doubt? You have to unmute yourself.
How this red color flower are made?
Which red color flower?
This, that
I'm
one.
I'm not able to see your red color flower. This one, my
Yeah.
red color flower or your red color flower?
This one, that in your hand.
Okay, this is a tight coil flower, which I taught right now. The pink color is a red color. It's a similar flower. It's a tight coil, pinch it on the both side and make it a leaf shape, and then join the 5 petals together to apply like this. And above that, I put yellow color tight coil. Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome. Everyone is ready with the CD now? CD with the center part? Yes, Nitin. Yes, Aradhya, not Nitin. Arshveer, can you please, everyone show me? Disha, very beautiful. Sanvi, Avika. Paridhi, Akshara. Divya. Divyanshi. Ready? Very good. Okay. Now, first of all, take the bigger flower and place it on the corner. Apply a little glue. Okay. Now take the green color strip, this part, like this, a tiny one. And now apply a little glue over the edge and place it like this, standing way. Make sure you are using less amount of glue, otherwise your Fevicol will leave the stain. Now, just arrange petals like this. Now, on the other side, yes, Aradhya. Yes, Aradhya.
Ma'am,
Yes.
how did you stick the green line? Now you have got in the straight one strip.
Exactly Friday minute. बरोबर लिहिलं ना?
For green line, I just stick the standing strip. Standing strip. Strip in a cut the small piece of strip and then place it over here.
Okay, ma'am. And ma'am,
Manufacturing class.
how do you
त्याच्यासाठी जे
stick that green one?
With the Fevicol we are going to use.
No, ma'am. That drops, green drops, we have make in green chart.
This one, this one,
No,
the chart.
ma'am.
This one.
Yeah, ma'am.
This is the leaves which we made in the first. What we made in the at the first we made leaves, 6 leaves. Remember?
Yes, ma'am. But how did you stick that?
By using little bit of amount of glue, Fevicol, we just like this.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
आणि जेव्हा आता सगळं चेंज होतं म्हणजे शिवराज सर आले नवीन.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Now, look, everyone, please look carefully how I am going to arrange. Look, our CD is ready. Yes, Divyanshi.
Hello, ma'am. I was saying that actually, ma'am, I'm not done making the small flowers. So can I stick these after that?
Yes, you can stick it after that. And please post your whatever creation you have done in this class on the Facebook and the Insta page, the link which is provided on the WhatsApp group also. And please post your creation on the WhatsApp group so we can easily share it on the Insta group and relate it.
Ma'am, and ma'am, how many leaves should we make?
I make 6 leaves.
And ma'am, the red flower you have stick above the leaves or
Above the leaves. So it will give you a 3D look. Look,
okay.
it will give you a 3D look. I put
And
pink
ma'am,
leaves. Pink flower I put over the purple and the leaf. Pink
Yes.
flower I put over the purple flower and the leaf. So it will give you a 3D look. It will look like this. And you can add such kind of flowers also. Sticker
and ma'am,
flowers.
you have stick the strip right
Yes,
to attach
Ishita.
the leaves. So how have you stick the strips?
It's with the help of a Fevicol. We use the standing.
Straight. Okay,
Yeah.
standing.
Standing.
Okay.
We use the standings.
Okay.
Okay. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, Ishka is very beautiful. Now it's clear. Anyone has any doubt in the decoration? Yes, Vanshika?
Ma'am, I am using thin strips. Is it fine?
Yeah, it's fine. It's absolutely fine. Vanshika, please unmute yourself.
Ma'am, can we add different decorations also?
Creation of what?
Ma'am, can we add different decorations also?
Yes. We can use different decorations. You can use such kind of flowers. Wait, I will show you. We can use such kind of flowers. Over here. Over here, we can use such kind of flowers. We can stick such kind of flowers. So it will give a nice.
Ma'am, I mean, like, can we add our own decorations?
Own decorations means?
Like, we do it ourselves.
Yes, you can use. You can create. It's your creation. You can create anything like that.
Okay, ma'am.
Look.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Look
Ma'am,
what I have made.
what is the possession task?
Sorry?
What is the possession task?
Your
In the assignment.
assignment, but you have to submit.
What is today's assignment, ma'am?
Yeah, today's I need to submit your decorative CD.
Okay,
This
ma'am.
CD.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Is it okay? Everyone is clear? Yes, Ishika.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, as you said, we need to submit our assignment on WhatsApp group. Ma'am, which WhatsApp group?
You can use links, Insta link and the Facebook link.
Okay.
And right now, Simran will tell you where to post the pics related to the assignment. Simran will tell you.
Okay.
Is there any doubt related to today's assignment or related to today's workshop? Any doubt in the creation?
No, ma'am.
Is there any doubt? Can you everyone please raise your thumbs up if it is okay? Acha. Very good. Yes, Kavita. Yes.
Can you do a recording?
Recording will be there on the Facebook. On Podium platform, recording will be there.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Is there any doubt related to this session? In any technique? Sanvi, Divyanshi, Paridhi? Yes, Divyanshi.
Ma'am, actually, when I roll and take it out, like if I have rolled this full and when I take it out like this part comes out, some little part comes out of the quilling paper. Like
Maybe.
Ma'am, I can show you one over here which I was making. Yes, ma'am, in this one also you can see little part is coming out in the center.
Yeah, because whenever you use a quilling strip, you are not cutting it from the starting. Look, there is a quilling strip. First cut the edge. And after cutting the edge, use that strip. So it will not come out like that.
No, ma'am, like when I'm rolling, like I'm done. For example, if I did rolling over here and when I remove it, that time that happens. Like this.
I taught you earlier that we have to use a slotting tool. In this way, we are going to use the slotted tool. When we are giving a minimum space to the strip, it will not come here and there. It will correctly roll on the space only. And it will be easy to take it out. Look carefully. Now, please look carefully, Divyanshi.
Yes.
Your problem is solved. This is the way you roll it out. And now, once you keep the slotted tool out, it will look like this.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Simran, I think everyone is done. Can you please-
Yes, ma'am.
I'm not able to see everyone's video. Most of them are switch off the video. How can I see the work?
So guys, if you can turn on your video, it would be great for ma'am to see your work. As the platform was showcasing your work as Instagram, so kindly post it there and tag Podium Classes so that ma'am can see your work.
Yes, Avika, very beautiful. Simran, one more thing that the kids are asking where to they post their work on WhatsApp group. It's not allowing now. That's what.
Yeah, guys, so you can post your picture on Instagram through your account only, but you can tag Podium Classes. So that's the way we can see your work. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so guys, I think ma'am has answered most of your questions.
Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
In case you think of something else later on, you can always post it along with your post.
Yes, Kavita.
Ma'am, do we have to use glue, Fevicol, or any other glue?
No, only Fevicol or craft glue. Either Fevicol or craft glue.
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much for today's session. I hope everyone enjoyed and everyone learned and create their own creation. Very beautiful. This is Sony. Please post your pics and please do like my Insta page, that is Shweta Art and Craft. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much, Shweta ma'am. Guys, I am unmuting you.
Yeah.
So thank
Please
you. Bye to ma'am.
Good evening and thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Bye, ma'am. Thank
Bye,
you,
ma'am.
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye. Hope to see you next time, ma'am.
Hope to see you too.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Okay.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, Divyanshi. Very good, Ishika. Very good. Now create the thing and post it on the group. Insta group. Okay. Chalo, bye everyone.